How did Ernesto Miranda's case create Miranda rights? Imagine being accused of a crime and not knowing your rights or how to protect yourself during police questioning. This scenario highlights the importance of the legal protections that are now standard in criminal justice. The story of Ernesto Miranda is central to understanding how these protections came into existence. Ernesto Miranda was a man accused of kidnapping and sexual assault in the state of Arizona during the early 1960s. After his arrest, police officers questioned him without informing him of his rights to remain silent or to have an attorney present. During this interrogation, Miranda eventually confessed to the crimes, and his confession was used as evidence at his trial. Miranda was convicted based largely on his own statements. Miranda appealed his case, arguing that his constitutional rights had been violated because he was not informed of his rights before being questioned. The case eventually reached the United States Supreme Court. The court examined whether the Fifth Amendment of the United States Constitution, which protects against self-incrimination, required law enforcement officers to inform suspects of their rights before interrogation. In a landmark decision in 1966, the Supreme Court ruled in favor of Ernesto Miranda. The court held that the Fifth Amendment requires law enforcement officers to inform individuals of their rights to remain silent and to have an attorney present during questioning. These rights are now known as Miranda rights in honor of Ernesto Miranda. The court also established that these rights must be clearly communicated to suspects before any custodial interrogation begins. If law enforcement fails to do so, any statements or confessions made by the suspect may be deemed inadmissible in court. This ruling emphasized the importance of protecting individuals from self-incrimination and ensuring fair treatment during criminal investigations. As a result of this case, police officers are now required to read suspects their rights, which include the right to remain silent, the right to an attorney, and that anything said can be used against them in court. The Miranda rights serve as a crucial safeguard to prevent coercive interrogation practices and uphold the constitutional rights of individuals accused of crimes.